Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create Google account. First, open your browser and then go to google.com. From here, tap on Profile on the top right and then select Add another account, or just select Sign up if you don't have any account at all. Once you're here, tap on Use another account and now select Create account. Now choose For myself. After that, put in your first name, your last name, and the username for your new Gmail account. After that, put in a new password. Then, confirm the password again. Now, tap on Next. On the next page, put in the verification code you received on another email or your phone number. After it's done, just tap on Next and your new Google account will be created. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.